So at first we shall start making a normal batch of popcorns. Let us make the normal popcorn as well as the chaat masala popcorn. 1 cup of popcorn seeds, 2/3 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 1 tablespoon of onion garlic powder with pepper, which is a homemade powder actually. And 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. So next week I shall be making a new video as how to make homemade garlic, onion and pepper powder. So the first batch of the popcorn would be divided into 2 parts. Divide and save 1 batch for the chaat masala popcorn. Mix the popcorn with all the spices, especially the garlic, onion, pepper and chaat masala. Completely combine it and give it a good mix. Feel free to add as much as you can according to your taste. For the tomato flavor popcorn, all you need is popcorn, oil and tomato ketchup. 1 cup of popcorn, 1/4 cup of oil and 5 to 6 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I had saved some of the popcorns pre-hand, the original popcorns, which I'll be using it for making tomato flavor one. So if you're planning to make a new batch of tomato flavored popcorn, see that you do not put too much oil in it. It hardly needs around 150 ml of oil and 1 big cup size of popcorn seeds. That is around 255 ml of popcorn. I had pre-cooked some of the popcorn and saved a batch. So I have used the normal popcorn for this to make a tomato flavored one. Please don't overcook the tomato flavored popcorns or else it will turn soggy. So let us begin with the new batch of butter and cheese popcorn. All you need is half a cup of cheese, mozzarella cheese, the dried form, butter around 4 to 5 tablespoons. I've used exactly 4 tablespoons of butter. You can increase, that's not an issue. And 1 cup of popcorn seeds. We'll be making it from the scratch, so we need more of the seeds now to make a new batch. So all the 4 varieties of popcorns are ready in just hardly 7 to 8 minutes. You can add in more of mozzarella cheese and chaat masala to increase the spice and the cheesy crunch. So my personal favorite was the tomato flavored one, and my kids really enjoyed the cheesy buttery popcorn. Do let us know which one was your personal favorite one, and keep commenting, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Dimples and Arabian Journey. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you enjoyed watching my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell button. Also do connect with us on Facebook by the name Flora and Aroma. Thank you.